One, what up, morning, evening, noon, night, and it's want something to big up on the south. That time of day is something there, that very something there. So dancehall artist SHENSEEA is currently in England, fulfilling her work obligation plus promoting her new song IDKW, and she stopped by the radio show to do an interview with, I think it's called One Extra, but she also wanted to remind people that she still got bars, because people have been teasing her lately that she's not writing her own song and etc. So she did a remix for Yeah by
5 feet 2, so enough of them a say me is a midget. But me fully bad, call my midget so illicit. Me lyrically bad to me lyrics, them explicit. Punchline so refined like the sun when you sip it. No believe it, give it a pen, I'ma write it for you read it. Some man brain tougher than some woman head when them a weave it. Straight from internet, me I go block you and delete it. Then back to my music like Michael Jackson, me I beat it. Flow sick, than a patient over anxious, me I for treat it. Rolling kites like spinners in a pot after me need it. If you hear the message when you receive it, me I go great and influential that you want to go repeat it. Lyrics hot, me know say me a spit fire. BBC, what extra? Your girl SHENSEEA.